Akiri hindi ya kuruguria kamiti no, Ngavana Kiraitu Murungi ugite muroto munene nigutigirira kaunti ya Meru niatuika kirorerwa bururi-ini.
Commitment of the Meru County government to improvement of ecology and environmental protection in this county.
Ngavana ule no imuikariri wa mare maturigiciirie kanjo-ini ya magavana augite ni maranyitira na honge ingi guku bururi-ini niguo gutigirira kioneki gia kugaciria mare maturigiciirie ni giakinyanira.
I want as a county government to assure the national government of our support in fighting illegal logging and encouragement of forests in Meru County.
Munene wake muikariri wa kamiti no Roman Mwito niatugiritie Ngavana Kiraitu Murungi akiuga ikinyarire ni gutethiriria hari kuongerera miti kaunti-ini ino. Meru renyitetwo mbaru ni minister wa mare maturigiciirie kaunti-ini ino Mutiga.
Make Meru as green as is possible, and it is the role and the mandate of the environmental committee to work and to bring their minds together to see how best we can do that.
Makiria mugo ni moritie mbeu njithi kuya kamweke gaka na kuhanda miti mingi na athari-ini niguo kugunika na mbeca riria kaunti ino ikombika mihango ya kwambiriria kuhanda miti.
Watakusaidia.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.